it's Kirstie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my front porch all decorated for fall. This video is going to start off a little more informal than usual. My family went pumpkin picking this year. It was my daughter's first pumpkin picking experience. So I'll be sharing that with you before I head into how I decorated my porch with the pumpkins that we found at the pumpkin patch, as well as a bunch of mums and some other decor pieces that I had lying around. I will leave a timestamp in the description box below if you'd like to skip ahead and just watch me decorating my front porch. But I would love if you stuck around and watched the vlog footage as well, because there are lots of super cute images of my little baby girl Chloe. Before we get into the video, if you're new here, thank you for clicking on this video today and welcome to my little YouTube channel. My name is Kirstie and I make videos all about home decor, DIY, home tours and simple tips and tricks videos. I also sometimes do vlogs because my husband and I are Australians currently on this amazing adventure living in the United States. I will leave a playlist in the cards above if you're interested in learning more about that. So without further ado, let me show you the vlog footage and then how I decorated my front porch for the fall. So the next day we're back home and I'm going to begin decorating my front porch steps. The first thing I'm doing is to give them a good sweep. We have pine trees all around our house, so these get so messy. A great way to begin any project like this is to start with your largest objects and work towards your smallest ones. So I'm starting by placing a crate with our signature bee pumpkin on top, and then I'm placing these large mums. They're white. I just think they're so beautiful and classy in these tin white pots. I picked these up from IKEA a couple of years ago. They were super inexpensive and I pretty much keep them on the front porch year round. Now I'm going to begin placing objects forward and then eventually down the steps. Next, I'm placing another mum in this basket that I picked up from Michael's. It was 60% off. I think it was $4. And now I'm continuing down my porch steps with these terracotta pots that I was gifted from a friend and more mums. Next, I'm beginning to add in my pumpkins. I just love this one that we got from the pumpkin patch. I think the shape and the ombre color on it is so unique. I'm moving this red mum down the steps a little. I felt like it was lost back up by the door. I think it's much more effective down further. You're not going to miss the vibrant red color once it blooms. And in front of that, I've added in another pumpkin, and I'm playing around here with what else to add beside the pumpkin. I tried these birch logs, but I really didn't like how they looked. So now I'm playing around with this lantern. I usually keep this inside, but I think it will do fine outside for this time of year. And I'm just playing around with the placement of the pumpkin and the lantern until I'm happy with how it looks. Back up by the front door, and I'm adding those birch logs in by the white mums, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side just to add a little bit of symmetry. I don't like things to be too same, so you'll see that I'm stacking them differently and that wood stacking is clearly not my strength. Now I'm going back to the stairs and again just playing around with an arrangement here that I like the look of. As you can see, I really do play around with things in a space. I do this in any decorating project. I move back and forth. I try something, I stand back and look at it, decide if I'm happy with it. I move something else around. Nothing wrong with trial and error until you get something perfect. And finally, for the front door, I'm adding in this beautiful tobacco basket wreath for fall. This color scheme inspired the whole look for my front porch. This piece was made by my mom, and if you're interested in a similar one of your own, I will leave her Etsy store linked down below. And finally, with the addition of a scarecrow and some chairs and comfy cushions beside the path, this front porch is done. I love how full it looks, how cozy and welcoming and vibrant with color. To me, it just feels so inviting, and I'm really happy with how it turned out this year. Thank you for watching the video today. I hope you enjoyed it. And let me know in the comments down below, have you decorated your front porch for the fall yet? If you liked the video today, I would love if you could give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel out. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.